Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody is fine, safe, and enjoying your amazing day. Today, I'm going to teach you something interesting and which is related to present situation, that is disaster management. Yesterday night, I have saw in the news that there is a cloud blast in the Amarnath. So, having a look at the present situation, today I have selected this topic. As you all know that nowadays the monsoon has created lot of difficulties in the life of the people, and people in the places like Mangaluru, Bengaluru, Udupi, and Kodagu are really struggling hard to get back to their normal life, and there is a lot of disaster, like some people has lost their life, shelter and house. So in today's class we are going to study what is the concept of disaster management, what are the types of the disasters, and what by what measures we can control the disaster and save the life of the people. So let's begin today's section. Disaster management is nothing but it is a simple process or act of saving life and property of the people during or after the disaster. Disaster can be natural or man-made. So basically there are two types of disaster. One is natural, another one is man-made. When there is a excess pressure on the earth, it will cause some natural disasters like earthquake, drought, tsunami, volcano, heavy rain, etc. The disaster which was purposely caused by man or activity of man is called as man-made disaster. Example for this is terrorism, pollution, use of chemicals, etc. Example for use of chemicals is you can see the Bhopal gas tragedy. Next, we'll see what are the major impacts of the disasters then. Disaster leads to breakdown of conflict situations which includes food, food insecurity, epidemics, violence, loss of life, widespread damage to both society and economy, assistance across multiple agencies, political and military concern which impact or prevent the human assistance, increased security risk for the relief workers. So, next point we are going to see what is the pandemic emergencies. So basically pandemic is the word which is related to a disease which is derived from the Greek word pan and demos, which means all and people. Is a pandemic infection disease that has spread across the large region which can occur to the human population or animal population, may affect health, economy and social condition of the country. It may unusual and unexpected increase in number of case infection diseases which already exist in the certain region or population or can also refers to the appearance of significant number of cases of the infection disease in the region population that is usually free from disease pandemic emergency may occur as a consequence of natural or man-made disasters. These have included following epidemics, that is Ebola, Zika, cholera, dengue fever, malaria, yellow fever, and most recently we have experienced the coronavirus disease, that is COVID-19. Now let's see last point of today's class. When all these disaster happens, how can we protect the life and property of the people, and by what all measures we can control the disaster? Just a minute, I'll change this slide. Okay, let's begin. So, during the time of disaster management, we can take some preventionary measures to protect disaster. In simple words, we call it as disaster management. In that first one, rescue, second one, relocation, third one, provision of food and water, fourth one, healthcare, fifth one, improve the services, sixth one, temporary shelters. So whenever the disaster occurs and the people are hugely impacted by the economic and social loss, and they have lost their everything, family, friends, and neighbors, and their valuable assets. First, we have to protect them from the disaster, and we should find them a safe place. A temporary shelter arrangement should be made for the people who have lost everything in the disaster, and we should provide them proper health care services, food and water, and we should improve the services like transport and communication. So we'll end this section here. I hope you have liked today's topic because it is quite simple. If you have any doubts, questions related to this topic or any other topic, please comment me below. I will answer them in my upcoming section. Please do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming interesting videos. Definitely my channel is going to help you in the future for a greater benefit. You can prepare for competitive exams, and you can enrich your political and social knowledge. Don't just view the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. So when I complete my certain number of subscribers, I will definitely share my own personal story, that how I started the YouTube channel and who is my main inspiration to involve in this profession. So till then, stay strong, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. Cry really hard, but do remember that you will never cry again for the same reason. Till then, take care. Bye. See you in tomorrow's section.